Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Parit from Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Edrao. Today let's discuss image processing system. Image processing image processing, image analysis, vision, image processing low level process, reduce noise, constant enhancement, image service, image analysis, mid level process, segmentation, classification, vision, high level process, making sense and enable recognition objects. Gamma rays imaging major uses of imaging based and gamma rays include nuclear medicine. Images are produced from the emission collected. X-ray ray imaging. Image acquisition is the first process. Generally, the image acquisition stage involves processing such as scaling. Images are typically generated by luminescence and luminescence are energy related. Incoming energy lands on a sensor material responsive to that type of energy, and this generated voltages. This is generated voltages. Graphics designers will take about dot per inch. They are 32 into 32 pixels. They are blurring vision specialization will be obtained take about pixel sizes. They are 124 501 to image enhancement is the process of manipulating an image so that the result is more suitable than the original for a specific application. This is application for medical applications, skin cancer and breast cancer. Interpretation and aerial photography is the problem domain in both computer vision and registration. Facial expression recognition, face detection, human activity recognition, traffic monitoring, inserting artificial object into a sense. In electrical engineering and computer science, image processing is any form of signal processing for which the input is an image, such as photographs of frames of video. The output of image processing can be either either an image or a set of characteristics is parameter related to the image. Most image processing techniques involve treating the image as a two-dimensional signal and applying standard sign approximation processing technique to it. Thank you.